केंद्रीय विज्ञान आणि पर्यावरण केंद्रान गोंयासयत इंदोर, पुणे आणि अंदमानातल्या वाडट्या प्लास्टिक कोयराचेर अभ्यास करून कांय निष्कर्ष काढल्यात. हातून प्रदूषणाक जापसालदार आशिल्ली उत्पादनां, तांचो जाय तसो वापर करपी बेजबाबदार पर्यटक आणि प्लास्टिक उत्पादनाच्या कराविशीं गंभीर नाशिल्ले केंद्रीय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ ह्या सगळ्यांक केंद्रीय विज्ञान आणि पर्यावरण केंद्राच्या शास्त्रज्ञांनी धारेर धरल्यात. तशेंच ह्या अभ्यासात गोंय सरकार प्लास्टिक कोयराचो विलो लावपा खातीर दिसाक वट्ट 16 लाख रुपया खर्च करता. हो खर्च वर्साक 58 कोटींचेर पावता. पूण ह्या प्लास्टिक कोयराच्या व्यवस्थापना खातीर ना पर्यटक हातभार लायतात ना उत्पादक, अशें CSEचो शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर त्रिभुवन सिंग बिश्त हांणी गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना सांगलें.
If we talk about the waste management in Goa, they have a very good waste management system over there.
Yeah.
The issue is that the thing is that the research that we have done is on the plastic packaging waste.
Yes.
So here the term EPR comes into picture. That is the extended producer responsibility.
Yes.
In which the PBOs, that is the producers, importers, and brand owners, whosoever places the plastic packaging waste in the Goa's market, are liable to pay for the management of that plastic packaging waste.
Yes.
Right. So currently, what happens is the rate at which the EPR credits are being traded,
Yeah.
are very low. Goa can introduce something like tourism cess.
Correct.
So Goa footfall is tourist footfall is almost 4 to 5 times the population of Goa.
Correct. Correct.
So
1 crore tourists, visiting Goa every year.
Yeah. So if the tourists that are coming to Goa, if on their flights or the train tickets, if an extra tourism cess of around maybe 10 or 20 rupees is being imposed, then it would add hugely to it would aid the ULBs in managing the waste that the tourist that has been generated from the tourists, and it is basically the plastic waste that is being generated more from the tourists.
Exactly.
So introduction of a tourism cess could be a step in a positive direction, and I don't think 10-20 rupees of tourism cess would matter to people who are coming to Goa.
केंद्रीय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान तयार केल्ल्या नव्या व्यवस्थेत आता प्लास्टिक तयार करपी कंपन्यांकूय कोयराच्या विलोवा खातीर समान खर्च उखलचो पडटलो, अशें CSEचो संशोधक डॉ. त्रिभुवन सिंह बिश्त सांगता. प्लास्टिक कोयराविशीं नेमावळ आनी खर्चाच्या उभारणीविशीं व्यवस्था तयार करपाचो अधिकार आशिल्ल्या केंद्रीय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान प्रभावी पद्धत तयार करूंकच ना. ताका लागून प्लास्टिक कोयराचे दोंगर उबे करपी उत्पादक उणे शुल्क भरून आपली सुटका करून घेतात. गोंयचे घनकोयर व्यवस्थापन धोरण प्रभावी आसा, पूण वेफर्स, बिस्किट्स आनी हेर पदार्थ प्लास्टिकात गुंडाळून विकपी कंपन्यांचे कितें? ह्या कंपन्यांनीच ह्या कोयराचो विलो लावपा खातीर खर्च दिवचो अशी पद्धत विकसीत जाल्या, अशें डॉ. बिश्त हांणी सांगलें.
Kind of generates around 800 tons per day. So 800 tons multiplied by say 8 rupees. So it's around 1600 rupees, 1600,000 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 16 lakh if you would want to translate it, 16 lakh rupees, and that's per day.
Per day, 16 lakhs per day. So it's a huge cost.
Yeah, it's a huge cost.
Okay. And what kind of plastics actually is this plastic?
So there are various kinds of plastic. Actually, there are 7 classification of plastic. But if we talk about the EPR, there are 5 classification. One is the category 1 is the rigid one. Category 2 is the flexible one. Category 3 is the MLP one. Category 4 is the compostable, and then 5 is the biodegradable one.
Okay. So most of this includes all this eatables and
yes, all this is the plastic packaging waste.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all plastics that we use kurkure to
yes,
to
yes. Kurkure, chips packets, biscuit packets, then your plastic water bottles, all are included. The producers, importers, and brand owners, they can pay through EPR, which now they are paying, but the little amount that they are paying is minimal. Okay. Right. So we need to have a monitoring over that.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.